dress.
Welcome back, guys. So I'm here with a Ronnie here once more. All right, this is the packaging just like last time, and as I open it I see the wig. So I got just a few goodies, just a few. I got this little clip here, also got a rat tail comb, and then lastly a pair of wig caps. So what we're working with today, guys, is a gorgeous 5x5 Swiss lace curly wig with bangs, and it's a 16-inch. okay, this is 16 inches. The curls look really nice, feels very soft, and it's a natural 1B color. As you can see, it's very full to the end of the hair, and as I said, it comes with bangs. So you know automatically what that means. You could go ahead and wear this glueless, or you could just melt it down and be versatile and push the bang portion backwards, because it's also nicely plucked in the hairline, the closure hairline. So that looks so good. It's not too dense, so I love that. That will give you more of a realistic look. All right, and this is like they customize the lace in such a way because it's pre-bleached and tinted, so this will pretty much blend with any skin tone and give a very natural and realistic look. Also, this type of lace, you know, it's Swiss, so it's very breathable, it's very easy to blend, and it just comes off way more timeless. And you know, you have to be very careful with it because the lace is definitely more delicate. It's also very lightweight, super lightweight, so that makes, you know, just wearing it for a while even more comfy, you know, way more comfortable. And it also helps to like reduce friction on your hair if it is that you're just gonna wear your natural hair beneath. So inside of the wig cap looks like this. It has a total of 4 combs. All right, 4 combs. It also has a extra elastic band, so if you need more security you can wear it, or you can remove it if you wish. Okay, and that's how it looks. It has adjustable straps in the back as well, so it's very nicely and neatly constructed. All right, as I said, it's curly. It's giving all the feels that it needs to give. Oh, by the way, the density of this is 180%, so I love that. And yeah, now that I show you everything, let me go ahead and jump into installing this. Okay. Slip this on. So that extra elastic band inside the cap actually helps with just really helping the wig, especially the front, to lay down. So that way you could even go ahead and wear the wig glueless. Okay, which that's really what I want to do today. You know, when you decide, you could either wear a really good Swiss lace with glue or glueless, or just any adhesive at all. So even if you wanna, if you wanna do spray instead of glue, you can. But I'm just saying, you always have that option of not having to use any form of adhesive, because you know the great qualities of a great Swiss lace just allows you to do that. You know, now just soak up how great this hairline looks. Super realistic, right? It's not too deeply plucked, or I think it's perfectly plucked. You don't need to go in any further. It's lightly plucked, but it looks great as is. Like, okay, so, and then you know the lace is just giving that scalp like vibe. So pull that back a little bit, and I'm basically just gonna cut off the excess lace. This is gonna be quite a quick install because this wig is just so easy to work with. I mean, how easier can it actually get? Because this is really easy. It's super beginner friendly. So I'm just taking my time, ensuring you're not cutting off any of the hair. All right, little clips. You know. Oh my gosh. You see that? You see that? Guys, no product. None. None. So if you're ready to just do like a middle part and wear this down, as is, oh my gosh, guys, not holding it down. Nothing. Nothing. More than just the elastic band on the inside of the wig. Yeah. Yeah. Just play around with it, finesse it, and you're good to go. And look at how full that is. Alright, so now we're going to finesse the bang, and I love how, like, you know, fringed, nicely fringed the bang is. Long. So I'm just going to take off just a little bit. Just a little bit in the middle portion. You don't want to take off too much at once because you don't want to go ahead and cut it too short. Alright. Nothing to do, and it looks good already. Nothing. So, I'm going to get my bottle with my water. You see, when a wig is good, a wig is good. You don't have to do too much. You know, you really don't have to do too much. Alright, so let's just focus on this area first. Let me just get my water. And just really fringe it out. Because I prefer like a bang vibe, that where the bang is not too heavy and full. It's way, like, for me, like, I just feel like that suits my face better. So now we can go ahead and wet the rest of the hair. Like, it's not too heavy. It's real cute, you know. And I didn't like cut the bang portion, like make it straight across short. Like, you know, this, like the size here of the bang is still like long. So I love that. It's a really cute bang look. But you know what is my favorite thing about this wig? The fact that it is a 5x5 Swiss lace closure wig. You know, you have the option of wearing this with a bang and glueless, and you have the option of gluing this down and pulling it back, you know, doing a center part. And you know what's lovely? You could also go ahead and you could part this, because it's a 5x5, you got space to part this on the sides. Look at that. You got space to part it on the sides, so you see that? So if you want to do a side part with this, you can. Look at that. Yeah, you can part it right within the wig, anywhere you please. It is lovely. It lays really flat. You know, that's the next thing I love about a wig. Man, I like when the wigs them lumpy and, you know, bulky, and oh my gosh. Number one way to, the easiest way to make a wig look wiggy. I mean, come on, yeah. And if you're gonna be like, oh, but it's a wig, so what's the deal? Listen, nah. So that means that it's like you saying, all right, you're gonna put on your shirt crushed, and you know, like, it's a shirt, you know, you're covered. So what's the point in ironing it? No, right? Yeah, no. So we're going to fix the wig properly if we're gonna put on a wig, you know. Make sure the top nice and flat and it lay, the hairline look good, it look realistic, you know. Yes, it's a 10. A 10. Love it, love it. Let me know what you guys think. You saw the hairline, you saw how beautiful it is. Like, it's a very versatile wig, very versatile. Very versatile. I think this is perfect if you just want to tap into the whole like wig wearing and you're new to it, you don't have a bunch of money to go to a hairstylist, you want to try and install for yourself. This is perfect for you, because you can definitely go ahead and skip adhesive. So you're not gonna be, you know, putting in, you're not gonna be applying any extra product to your hair or your hairline. to let the wig stay. Like, all you need is the elastic band on the inside to keep it nice and secure, and you're good to go. You're good to go. Right now, glueless wig are around the place. Like, it's top of the top of the top. When you have a bombless, makes everything even better. So I hope you guys found this wig look, this wig video, this video overall just informative today. If you like the wig, if you love the look, go ahead, give me a thumb up. Shout out to Ronnie here because they're doing their thing. This wig is super nice, super nice. Okay, love it. Yeah, also I'm going to be sure to put the specifications of the wig once more in my description box and the direct link where you can shop this wig, so please go ahead, check that out. And that's it for today's wig look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to go ahead and check my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV. You know, that's where all the lit vlogs are. Yeah, we nothing but good lifestyle content over there. Yeah, so also you want to stay tuned to this channel because I'm going to be doing, you know, some get ready with me's and some chit chats over here and stuff, and whatever else you guys really want to see, just talk to me, you know. So yeah, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.